Ever wondered what it really means to eat healthy? It's certainly more than just eating salads every day. The world of nutrition can feel like a maze, with so many diets and conflicting advice swirling around. But truly, healthy eating is simpler than you might think. It's not about depriving yourself or sticking to restrictive fad diets. It's about nourishing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. That means consuming a wide array of delicious and nutritious foods from all the food groups. It's about embracing the variety that nature offers, from vibrant fruits and vegetables to wholesome grains and quality proteins. So remember, it's not about eliminating foods from your diet, but rather adding a variety of nutritious options to it. Because at the end of the day, healthy eating is all about balance, variety, and enjoyment. Imagine your plate as a canvas, waiting to be painted with a rainbow of colors. Each hue on your plate corresponds to different nutrients, making your meal not just visually appealing, but nutritionally balanced too. Let's start with red. Foods like tomatoes, strawberries, and watermelon are loaded with antioxidants such as lycopene and anthocyanins. These compounds help safeguard our cells against damage, supporting overall health. Next up is orange and yellow. When you're munching on carrots, sweet potatoes, or oranges, you're getting a hefty dose of vitamin A. This nutrient is vital for maintaining healthy vision and a robust immune system. And what about green? Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are absolute nutrient powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and fiber. So don't shy away from adding a handful of greens to your meals. Moving on to the cooler end of the spectrum, we have blue and purple foods. Blueberries, eggplants, and grapes are rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins. These substances can boost brain health and contribute to a heart-healthy diet. But let's not forget white and brown, represented by foods like bananas, cauliflower, and mushrooms. These foods offer a range of health benefits, including heart health and better immune function. Now, it's time to put this rainbow theory into practice. Start by adding a variety of colorful fruits and veggies to your shopping list. Then, get creative in your kitchen. You could whip up a vibrant salad, roast a medley of colorful veggies, or blend a rainbow smoothie. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to a balanced diet is variety. Eating a wide range of foods ensures you're getting a mix of different nutrients. So challenge yourself to eat as many colors as you can in a day. Not only will your plate look more appealing, but your body will thank you for the flood of nutrients. So, the more colors on your plate, the more balanced and healthier your meal is. It's time to start painting that edible rainbow. While fruits and vegetables are the stars of the show, let's not forget about the other essential food groups. These heavy hitters are the backbone of a balanced diet, each offering their own unique blend of vital nutrients. First up, we have whole grains. These are the complex carbs that keep us energized and satisfied. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are not only tasty, but also provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. They're filled with fiber, helping you feel full and aiding in digestion. Next in line, we have lean proteins. This group includes foods like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Protein is the building block of life, supporting growth and repair in our bodies. It's essential for maintaining muscle mass and supporting a strong immune system. Plus, it keeps us feeling satiated, reducing unnecessary snacking. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Despite what you may have heard, not all fats are bad. In fact, foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds are packed with healthy fats that our bodies need. These fats support brain health, heart health, and help our bodies absorb vitamins. So don't shy away from adding a handful of nuts or a slice of avocado to your meals. Finally, we come to dairy or dairy alternatives. Foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese are great sources of calcium and vitamin D, which are critical for bone health. If you're lactose intolerant or simply prefer plant-based options, there are plenty of alternatives available. Almond milk, soy yogurt, and vegan cheese are just a few examples. Incorporating these 4 food groups into your diet, along with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, ensures your body gets a wide range of nutrients. It's like giving your body a comprehensive toolkit to function at its best. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your diet. Mixing up your food choices not only keeps meals exciting, but also ensures you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. These food groups, together with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, make up a well-rounded, healthy diet. Who said healthy eating has to be boring? We're about to debunk that myth right here, right now. You see, healthy eating can be a delightful adventure where you get to explore new flavors, colors, and textures, while also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. First up, let's talk about getting creative in the kitchen. It's time to put on your chef's hat and experiment with new recipes and cuisines. Ever tried a quinoa salad with a zesty lemon vinaigrette? Or how about a hearty lentil soup spiced up with some turmeric and cumin? The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can often find healthier versions of your favorite comfort foods. It's all about swapping out the not-so-healthy ingredients with nutritious alternatives. Next, let's bring in the troops. Yes, we're talking about your family and friends. Cooking and eating together can turn into a fun-filled social event. It's a great way to bond, share laughs, and build healthy habits together. And hey, it's always more fun to try new foods when you have your favorite people around you. Now, let's discuss the power of meal planning. It might seem like a chore at first, but trust me, it's a game changer. Having a plan in place helps you avoid last-minute unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Plus, it can save you time and money in the long run. And finally, snack time. Who doesn't love a good snack? Keeping healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, and yogurt on hand can keep hunger at bay and prevent overeating at mealtimes. So next time you get the munchies, reach for a handful of almonds or a bowl of mixed berries. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. So keep trying, keep experimenting, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Healthy eating is not a race or a competition. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-care. So take it one step at a time, savor each mouthful, and celebrate every small victory. After all, the goal is to nourish your body and feed your soul. Thank you for joining me on this journey to healthy eating. We've explored what it truly means to eat healthily, from painting our plates with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, to incorporating essential food groups like whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. We've also discussed how to make healthy eating fun and delicious, with tips on getting creative in the kitchen, involving your loved ones, planning meals, and embracing healthy snacking. Now it's your turn to take the reins. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact on your health. So, start today. Maybe try a new fruit or vegetable, swap refined grains with whole ones, or experiment with a new recipe. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So, take care of your body, eat well, and live your healthiest life.